Good day everyone and welcome back to the channel. Now today we are going to look at all things Jasmy. So make sure you watch all the way until the end for the latest price predictions. We are going to be breaking down the recent performances predictions for where this coin might go, as well as some valuable insight from CoinMarketCap. Now remember, all of this is purely for informational purposes only and not financial advice, so make sure you always do your own research before investing into any crypto project. Okay, so let's get into it. Now guys, what exactly is Jasmy? Well, Jasmy is an Ethereum based token and the native currency of the Jasmy IoT protocol. The platform is focused on using the blockchain to secure data within the Internet of Things, which is the IoT. Now, and Jasmy Coin is used within this ecosystem to power transactions and incentivize users. Essentially, it is part of a growing niche which is going to take the crypto world and combine privacy data as well as other Internet of Things. Now, Jasmy was launched by a former Sony executive and has been popular in Japan, even being deemed the Bitcoin of Japan. But it has now been gaining rapid traction around the world as well. Now, if we are looking here to where Jasmy stands today on CoinMarketCap, right now Jasmy has a market cap of around $840 million, guys, and this coin is currently trading at number 73 out of all cryptos, which makes it the top 100 cryptos of all projects that have been launched. What an incredible achievement it is for the team to be ranked this high. Now, in terms of price, we are looking at Jasmy currently of around 0.017 cents in dollar value. Jasmy has had some major price fluctuation over the past year, but we have seen it reached its all-time high this year of around 0.044 cents. Now, this was only the yearly high, as it has had an all-time high back in 21 with the previous bull run of around $4.99. So yes, quite down significantly from then, but which is expected given the fact that we've been in a bull market for the past 2 years. Like I said, it's been consolidating nicely. It's reached a higher point, and this is just part of the cycle, guys. Coins do reach highs and then retrace back a bit before they obviously go back up again. Now, to understand where Jasmy might go in the future, we do need to look at the factors that impact this price. Now, firstly is the demand for IoT and data security, and that is obviously a thing that has been making huge waves and is going daily and weekly. This has been one of the main narratives that people have been buzzing about, deemed to enter and go pretty parabolic and mainstream within this next bull run that we are entering into. Now, this trend is working in Jasmy's favor, of course. More companies and individuals are interested in protecting personal data, especially in IoT devices. Now, secondly, Jasmy's partnerships has been having a huge impact. If they secure partnerships with larger companies in Japan or internationally, this could create more use cases for Jasmy. Now, these partnerships and adoptions by big tech could drive an insane demand into this coin. Lastly, it is important to note that the general crypto market trends, like many altcoins, Jasmy's price is often affected by Bitcoin and Ethereum's movement, since it's based on Ethereum as well. When Bitcoin is doing well, it typically brings altcoins up with it, but the reverse can also be true. And we've seen Bitcoin kind of get up there recently, but it's also had a few moments where it has been reaching resistance points and going down quite a lot. And obviously, altcoins such as Jasmy are quite struggling, as well as Ethereum has not been performing its absolute best. It is still quite down from its all-time high. It has not crossed $3,000 yet. So once that kind of gets moving, guys, we will see Jasmy following suit. Now, the big question is, where is Jasmy actually heading in 2024? Now, predictions in cryptos are not always true, and the market can be very unpredictable, but we can look at a few scenarios here. And that is, scenario one is a conservative estimate, and if this coin continues on its current trajectory and gradually gains adoption, we could see Jasmy stabilize towards the 0.03 cents to 0.05 cents. So that is, like I said, 3 cents to 5 cents in 2024. This is of course following a steady, organically grown curve. For those who are more bullish on Jasmy, there's potential for it to reach between 5 cents and 7 cents by the end of 2024. Now, this would assume that the platform continues to grow, adds partnerships, and that there is bullish market trend overall. Now, achieving this price would mean many more than tripling its current value, so it is ambitious but not impossible. Many people are in fact very bullish on this and can see this to be the most likely outcome. And in the best case scenario, of course, we also see a major rally in the crypto market and Jasmy Coin's significant adoption, which we could see levels of around 8 cents and onwards. This would depend, of course, majorly on external factors like global adoption of blockchain in the IoT, regulatory developments, and of course, a strong bull market. Of course, we also need to talk about the potential risks as well, and one of these biggest risks for Jasmy is the competitive landscape. There are so many other projects, guys, focusing on IoT and data privacy. If Jasmy doesn't differentiate itself, it might struggle to gain traction. Now, there's always a regulatory risk with any crypto project. We have seen what's kind of been going down with cryptos like XRP, and many others that have been deemed securities by the SEC. Now, since Jasmy operates within the data privacy space, any changes to data privacy laws, especially in the markets either in Japan or the US, could be hugely detrimental to this project. Now, lastly, there is market volatility, and as we know, crypto is incredibly volatile, guys, and prices swing drastically in either way, going up and down. So anyone considering Jasmy as an investment should be ready for that risk. The rewards are absolutely tremendous, but there are also, like we said, quite a number of risks involved, and the user should be involved, a note of these things. Now, guys, to wrap things up, Jasmy Coin has an interesting position in the crypto space, and its focus on data security and IoT is giving it a strong use case, but it is still early days. Now, while some investors do see big potential in Jasmy, especially if you can carve out a niche into the IoT space, others are cautious given the competitive and regulatory challenges ahead. Now, if you are thinking about investing in Jasmy, it is a good idea to watch the project developments over the next year, and of course keep an eye out on the overall crypto market. Things do seem very bullish, and like I shared with the price prediction, I can expect a reasonably decent price increase up until the end of 2024, and then of course onward as we reach the major point of the bull market in 2025. Now, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it as always. Make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, like and subscribe to my channel because I will be back with more videos. So yes, hope you have an amazing day, and I'll check back soon.